Hi there. Let me introduce you to custom-built spas, your number one source for DIY information and instructions for building your own small pool, hot tub, spa, or swim spa. Have you ever considered a small pool or plunge pool for your backyard? What if you could build it yourself for pennies on the dollar, compared to the cost of a contractor-built small pool? With a DIY small pool or plunge pool, you can make it exactly like you want it by building it yourself. I bet you're thinking, I can't do this. Right? However, what if you not only had access to exceptional instructions and videos to follow, but got free personal coaching help from start to finish with your project? That's exactly what you get from custom-built spas. Here you see a 10-foot by 12-foot by 4-foot deep, inside dimension plunge pool under construction. It's built on an insulated, rebar-reinforced, poured concrete slab. Notice the integrated block support columns. These are used for extra strength and stability. They are typically placed every 6 feet and in the middle of a wall length of 8 foot. Surface waterproof coatings will be applied to these walls as one of the next steps. None of the construction or finish processes are that difficult to do and certainly within the ability of a do-it-yourselfer. If this type project has sparked your interest, I encourage you to visit the Custom Built Spas website at www.custombuiltspas.com. Visit the customer gallery page, read through some of the comments customers have made about their experience working with custom-built spas. These can be found on the testimonials page, www.custombuiltspas.com/testimonials. Thank you for stopping by.